Did you know that you can get a grant of $10,000 towards your down payment and closing costs to buy a home in New Jersey? So to qualify for New Jersey Housing and Mortgage Finance Agency, otherwise known as the NJHMFA grant loan, you generally need to be a first-time home buyer or meet specific exceptions, purchase a primary residence in New Jersey, meet the income and purchase price limits, and have a credit score of at least a 620. You also have to secure a primary mortgage through a participating lender. So, Chris, what do I got to do this, you ask? Well, here's the general requirements. You got to be a first-time home buyer. You generally cannot have owned a home in the past 3 years. Yes, as stupid as that sounds, if you haven't owned a home for 3 years, somehow you are considered a first-time home buyer. Why? No idea. Primary residence. The home must be purchased to be used as your primary residence. Income and purchase price limits. Your income and the home's purchase price must be within the limits set by the program, which can vary by location and household size. You need a minimum of a 620 credit score. You got to use a participating lender who participates in the NJHMFA program. Liquid assets, you cannot have enough money to cover your down payment and your closing costs in the bank, otherwise known as you really don't need the grant. Now, how do you apply? You contact a participating lender. You got to apply for your primary mortgage through a lender that participates again in the NJHMFA program. You've got to meet the eligibility requirements, ensure that you have all of the qualifications that are needed for the loan. You got to work with the lender to complete the application process. Provide documentation. You're going to need to provide all necessary income and asset information to your lender. Once you get approved, you're on your way. You need help with the process? You need a good mortgage person? Just reach out and let me know. I'm always here to help.